guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I'm Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you how to make a charred cabbage with a lemon garlic tahini dressing. You can use red or green cabbage for your recipe, but you are going to want a kind of smaller one. When I was in the food store today, the green cabbages were like huge, and that's not what I'm looking for in this recipe. So you're going to want to have a smaller cabbage, red or green, and slice it up like this. I just went right down the middle, cut off the stem, and cut it, kind of quartered it. That's pretty much all I had to do. After that, you're going to just drizzle it generously with some olive oil. At this point, if you want to add anything else, you can, but since we're going to put a delicious lemon garlic tahini dressing on it, we don't really need anything else before our cabbage goes on the grill. Once you make sure that your cabbage is coated in olive oil, you're going to go ahead and place it directly on the grate on a medium hot grill. You're going to want to make sure that your cabbage cooks evenly, so you are going to have to rotate throughout cooking. You'll know that it's done when it's slightly soft and ready to eat. Once your cabbage is completely cooked, pull it on off and drizzle with my lemon garlic tahini dressing. Now, that video is on next, so you're gonna have to tune in to see how to make that one. But go ahead and drizzle that dressing right over top, and trust me, this is a different side dish for your barbecue, but you are gonna love it. And that's it. That's my charred cabbage recipe with a lemon garlic tahini dressing. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every week. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.